Dunit Velalage. Nabi on strike.
Well, Velalage put Nabi down.
First ball, 6. Good start to the over. Nabi's going to enjoy this. Velalage tossing it up. And Nabi going over long off.
They fielded really well until that opportunity, and since then, Nabi has been only dealing in 4s and 6s. The way he's striking it, Afghanistan looking or will get to that target they wanted at the toss.
Another one. Another one. And it's cleared as well. 149. He's got 12 of the first two. Nabi 41 of just 17.
Alright, now that catch that was put down, Nabi was 5 of 6. Since then, 36 runs of 11 balls and counting. 150. Almost there.
Well, I think Charita Solanka took a big gamble by bringing on Velalage for the last over.
He had that over and he kept rotating the bowlers, using his strike bowlers looking for that wicket. They got the opportunity, but it was put down. And then you do get caught with an over like this because... Another one, number 3, 150 on the board. Look, a few days ago, Azmatullah Omarzai scored a half century of 20 balls. That was the quickest by an Afghan batter. Nabi can better that here today, and that would give Afghanistan a good score to bowl to.
He's certainly giving them that. 47 of just 18 balls. Would you believe it? 4 sixers, 3 fours, and counting.
So Roshan, you take a gamble sometimes, you take a risk, which was correct. What Asalanka did, if it doesn't pay off, you get caught on the hop like this.
Well, 3 sixers. This is how he started. This went over long off. Plenty of power, then over long on. Then a change of line by Velalage. Doesn't matter. Another 6. Oh, well done by the keeper. It will be called a wide. But brilliant work by Kusal Mendes.
So far, in 4.3 overs, we break it down into 3 phases. The power play, 1 to 6. Oh boy, oh boy. You hear the noise. So it's going to be a free hit. 1 to 6, 7 to 15, 15 to 20. 4.3 balls bowled here. Afghanistan have scored 55. He's overstepped. Boy, the wheels are falling off. The pressure on the young man.
Not the time to do this. Not the time. And Nabi again has so much of power that he clears the boundary again. That's another 6. And he gets his half century of just 20 deliveries.
Joint fastest half century for Mohammad Nabi. Both those quick 50s coming here in Abu Dhabi in the same tournament. They've gone past 160. 2 more deliveries remaining. 3 4s, 5 6s to Mohammad Nabi. What a masterclass.
Last 30 balls, 61 runs for Afghanistan. Oh! It's raining 6ers here. It is raining 6ers. It's another one. That's gone 91 meters.
So 31 runs or 5 balls, and Afghanistan, they wanted 160, 165. It didn't look like they'll get to 140, but now all of a sudden they have a massive score on the board. And in all likelihood will force Sri Lanka to chase down 175 to win. 59 of 21. 6 sixers in an over. Can he do it?
Well, he's hit 5 already. Velalage under pressure. He's bowled a wide. Obviously, a lot of talking going on. Just look at this. 1 no ball, 5 sixes. And I'll tell you, 168 for 7 is more than a respectable score for Afghanistan.
54-run partnership. It's just come in 17 balls. Mouhammad since being put down, has scored 54 in 16 balls. First ball. Second ball even bigger and higher. Flat and hard. Make that number 4. Yep, 91 meters that 5th hit. The last ball of the innings. Can he make it? 6 sixers in the over.
Let's see. This time he goes square. Only a single. In fact, they want 2. They're coming for 2. And I think he's out. It's a good return. But Mouhammad has done the damage. They've gone upstairs. This is a massive over. 32 runs.
We have an umpire review for run out at the wicket keeper end. Can I the siren angle please for the run out? Keep rolling ball to the wicket keeper glove. Keep rolling. Keep rolling and build this ball from top of the thumb and batter shot of the crease. I'm ready to make my skin for the biscuit.
Well, it's out, but it doesn't matter because Mouhammad has done enough damage. 60 of 22. The last 2 overs, Afghanistan has got 49 runs. Have a look at that run out. That was bowled full and wide by Velalage. A good return, a quick return from the deep. And Kusal Mendy is having the presence of mind to underarm it, but it's a good effort. It's a very good effort by Afghanistan.